I have kept the video completely on point, telling you all the important information. I understand your time is very important, so yeah, let's get started. If you're planning to pursue physiotherapy, you have clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll be telling you all the recent changes, big updates that have taken place, and most importantly, I'll be telling how many marks you should aim for in NEET 2025 to get into one of the top physiotherapy colleges in Maharashtra. So, hi everyone, I am Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student from Mumbai. ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर पहले इवन आई वॉज आपके ही जगह पे थिंकिंग कितने मार्क्स लाऊंगी क्या करूंगी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट इवन आई वॉज वेरी कंफ्यूज सो नाउ दैट आई joined college around 6 months ago of course मुझे basic knowledge how every the procedure works because I have gone through the NEET exam NEET results and the entire counseling process so why not guide you all and help you all की ऐसे ऐसे स्टेप्स होते हैं बिकॉज बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स की थी इन द काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सो आई डोंट वांट यू ऑल टू मेक दैट मिस्टेक सो in this video and the videos I'll be posting आगे I'll be focusing on the admission process and all of that तो आप लोग को भी easy पड़े but for now we are not going to go there in this video I'm just basically going to tell you all तुम लोग का क्या aim होना चाहिए if you want one of the best physiotherapy colleges in Mumbai. And now coming to this field now, recently National Commission of Allied and Healthcare Professions has said that physiotherapists are considered doctors. Doctors are we have to put doctor as a prefix and PT as a suffix. So up officially it is out that yes we are considered doctors only. So I feel अभी competition थोड़ा सा बढ़ सकता है because now suddenly the awareness has spread and I feel a lot of you NEET aspirants will see physiotherapy as your first choice and that also means the cutoff might go high. So straight away coming to the numbers, this is my analysis last year and ये साल. Before actually telling you all the exact numbers, I would like to mention these are just my basic analysis कि last year कैसा cut off गए थे, क्या marks मिले थे सबको and all of that and just taking a little assumptions on NEET paper ये साल कैसा आएगा and like considering the entire curriculum has changed, the awareness has increased. So on such factors, I'll be telling you all like a rough idea. So I feel like if you might know, there are four government colleges in Maharashtra for physiotherapy. Yes, there are only four. तो उन चारों में से if you genuinely want admission in government college and you are from general quota, you need to score above 550. That is the minimum because the seats are comparatively very less and this year the cutoff might go high because this doctor wala suffix. I feel a lot of people would be thinking to consider physiotherapy as a career option and I feel it is a very growing career तो around 550 तो I feel 550 के ऊपर चाहिए for OBC I would say it's not a huge difference but for OBC according to me 520 के around is a safe score like not staying back till stray vacancy और वो सब but at least like थर्ड राउंड तक मिल जाना चाहिए 510 520 एंड SC ST के लिए आई फील 480 would be 470 480 would be a decent score like इसके नीचे में शायद मिल सकता है you all enter that hilly area और वो सब उसमें there are options like SC में what all of that so if you enter any of those you might get but seeing a safe score for general 550 above because last year also cutoff went very high if the paper comes super difficult, so the cutoff might go down. But I don't think so. This year also the cutoff because is growing and it is growing बहुत अच्छे से. Also now talking about private physiotherapy colleges. So private में there are many options, but if you all want admission in one of the like the best colleges in Maharashtra, तो आई फील कि यू शुड गेट समवेयर अराउंड 430 440 के ऊपर आराम से इन ऑर्डर टॉप प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस ऐसे तो 350 में भी मिल जाती है कॉलेज but those are not the best ones and the locality the exposure and all of that wouldn't be that great but if you want everything top notch the locality the crowd there, the campus, or maybe the equipments or whatever the college facilities, clinical exposure अच्छा हो and all of that. So you need to score somewhere above 440 for sure to get into good private colleges. Also, this time they have made NEET compulsory for entire India के physiotherapy admissions के लिए. Before it was, I feel, for a few states including Maharashtra. But now that they have made it completely for all India quota, be not sure. They haven't released any information about kitna seats kisko milega and all of that. But I feel कि from the new curriculum what has come, it is said that कि जो batch आएगा like 2026, you will have 1 year internship, but साथ में you all have a lot of extra subjects which will help you build practically, like you'll get more clinical exposure and a lot of compel modules and all of that. So I feel उसकी वजह से your base and everything would be very strong, because for now that my admission is already done, so my internship would be only of a half year because I'm still in first year only. But like Abhi say, if you join, the course has now become a 5 year course and it is not a 4.5 year course. You have 4 years of studying and 1 year of internship. जो I feel अच्छा है, you will get a good clinical exposure before you step into the real world. And मुझे बस इतना ही बोलना था, if you genuinely love healthcare and if you'd feel MBBS is not for you, because बहुत लोगों की first choice MBBS नहीं होती, which is completely okay. I feel you should genuinely consider physiotherapy because अभी it is growing बहुत अच्छे से. After the COVID, उसकी awareness and everything has increased. People are genuinely understanding the importance of it. उसका value, the importance is increasing a lot and it is a growing career. Also, that's it for this video. अगर आपको कोई भी questions है, कोई भी सवाल, कुछ भी पूछना है, you can just drop it down in the comment section below and I'll be there to reply you all. मैंने ये पूरा प्रोसीजर what you all will be doing have done it like a few months ago, because हमारा तो काउंसलिंग भी काफी लेट चालू हुआ. So I am very well aware, very well versed कि कैसे क्या work कर. Even I was not and I have made a lot of blunders. I can actually say कि I would get a better college than what I am अभी if I would have not done such mistakes in the counseling process. So yeah, अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी हेल्पफुल लगा, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and definitely share it with your NEET friends or anyone who is planning to pursue physiotherapy. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.